Web stack monitoring. Make sure you sign up for Datadog using the US1 region. After signing up, we first have to install Datadog agent on Web 01, and followed by other requirements. This is how we do it. Follow me. After signing up, we get to this page. Click on Ubuntu. Copy the installation link. Log into your Web 01, paste the installation link, and press Enter. It will take some time to install. This means that it has installed correctly. To be sure that Datadog agent is running this command. Next, go back to Datadog site and click on Finish. You should be brought to a home page. Click on Go To, type in application key in the box, create an application key, and do the same for a PI key. Copy and paste them in your intranet profile and save. Next, we set up a read request and write request. Don't forget to like this video. We open this link and check through to find the right query. For the monitor, copy and go back to your Datadog profile. Click on Monitor, then Metric. Click on Source. Erase the previous query and paste the read query we copied earlier. Scroll down, add a monitor name and the monitor message. Click on Create. Next, we repeat the same process for write request. Next, we create a new dashboard and add at least 4 widgets of our choice. Click on Dashboard and then New Dashboard. Next, add the desired name of the new dashboard and click on the Snap Widgets Interplace to add widgets. After creating the widgets and saved, we should see this address on our browser. Copy the first ID number and paste on your answer file.